Good morning, everyone, and thank you very much, Chief Minister. And I guess on behalf of myself and Dr. Vanessa Johnston, that was a lovely acknowledgement, but we have enjoyed working with you, Minister Stephen Smith, and all ministers as well as the community on this journey. As you would have seen from the update this morning on social media and the website, we have 46 new cases today as we move into the last day of lockdown with a total of 1,359 cases. Sadly, as the Chief has mentioned, we have lost another life, and I would also like to extend my condolences to his family and loved ones. On our last day of lockdown today, and as we begin to slowly ease our restrictions, I'd just like to reiterate a few things that we have discussed and some practices that will remain vital to our continuing pathway. We know that with more people moving around the community, we are going to see more cases. This is not unexpected. The number of daily cases, though, now becomes slightly less important, and how we react to these cases is what we need to focus on. But if you are exposed to COVID in any way, via an exposure location, as a contact, or if you develop symptoms at all, please do get tested immediately and follow the appropriate isolation and quarantine requirements. This period in the outbreak is actually new for all of us, and we don't have all the answers at the moment. I don't know how high our case numbers are going to go, but we do know that if we stick to our tried and tested processes, along with our documented COVID-safe behaviours, this will keep us in the best position possible moving forward. This is an educational process for us all, and our teams will continue to support both the community and businesses to comply as best as they can with our public health directions and adapt to any changes necessary as we progress through these stages on our pathway forward. So in regard to my shout-outs, these could go on forever. There are so many amazing people in the community who have contributed during this time. But on our last day of lockdown, it does seem fitting that I will deliver my last formal shout-out of this outbreak. So this is to everyone in the ACT that has helped us get to this position. It is to our essential workers that have continued to support the community. The families left at home while their partners and loved ones have worked sometimes 24 hours on responding, and that includes mine. To our teachers who have had to completely adapt the way that they work to continue educating our children. And to the parents and carers that have juggled homeschooling with working from home and all of those other challenges, my gosh, that lockdown brings. I know that it has been tough and it has come with anxiety, stress and loss. The lockdown has affected everybody, from our youngest who have missed birthday parties and seeing their friends every day, to our elders who have had to miss their regular family visits. It has also had a significant effect on our local organisations and businesses. And I really do acknowledge that we have a long way to go in recovering from this. We recognise this, and thank you. I am grateful for all our community who have trusted the public health advice and have been prepared to cooperate with our public health social measures and give us the opportunity to get as many people protected as possible before we move forward. It's you who have put us in this position we are in today, to lift our lockdown and take our first tentative steps forward. Please enjoy reconnecting with family and friends, but please stay safe doing so. We do still have a journey ahead of us.